All right, here we are doing a video of this 60 plus horsepower Ford 800 series. It's a model 861 as the serial plate says, and we're with our top technician Adi. He's going to tell a little bit about what he serviced on it.
Hi, I'm Adi from Tractor Town. Okay, what we did is we took apart the carburetor because it had been sitting for a very long time. We cleaned it out, put it back together. We changed the engine oil and engine oil filter. Okay, we put new spark plugs in it, fresh wires, cleaned the distributor cap and rotor. They all look good, just had a little bit of scale from it sitting. And now I'm going to crank it up and demonstrate it for you.
Okay. This is we haven't started it yet today. We parked it here yesterday.
Forgot to turn the gas on.
Nope. Live PTO, right? How are the brakes? How's the oil pressure?
Oil pressure right now is almost 45 psi. It does charge. And right now she's idling at 650 RPM, which is fantastic.
It's got one of those, that's how you. Where's your starter? That's your starter there.
The starter has to be in neutral.
Has to be in neutral. How are the brakes on it?
The brakes could use a little attention. We believe that maybe the rear axle seals may be weeping a little bit, and that's why the brakes are the way they are.
Okay. What were you going to say? Anything else?
Other than it's really pretty good shape for a second.
All right.
Big breeze done. I've run it around several times, checking it out. I let it sit and run for about 2 hours. Didn't have any issues.
Okay. All right. Well, give us a call. Give us a call here at Tractor Town. Thank you.